A lot of us assume that everything's known about science or everything's known in medicine, but in fact, once you get into research, you realise that almost nothing's known. This laboratory here in the Prince Charles Hospital is rather unique. We have a fantastic interface between real bench research and the patients. We're looking at diseases that really drive people to end-stage lung disease, but ultimately people with end-stage lung disease, the only thing that's left for them is to have a lung transplant.
Most or all of our patients who are going forward for transplant are happy to donate their organs as we remove them at transplant, and we use that information as one of the main drivers to understand what causes lung fibrosis and other severe lung diseases so that we can develop other treatments to help other people.
A lot of what we deal with here is people who have lung diseases like silicosis. Well, we know why people get silicosis, but the problem is that there's very little that can be done about it, and so we're asking those questions. What can we do to either stop the progression of silicosis or to reverse it? We have this really interesting program of drug discovery that we have initiated in the laboratory here. We've had some really promising results with that. We've actually published some of that data, and it's looking really promising.
What we're doing here is absolutely cutting edge. This is world-leading research that we're doing because of the generosity of the people who donate to the common good, and it leads us to make discoveries that then will be impactful across the world. So they're really making a huge difference by supporting a researcher just for an hour.
We have a responsibility to our patients and to our donors to try as hard as we can to find cures that work and that matter. The work that we do just wouldn't exist without the common good.